In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Figma components and variants. By the end, you'll know how to turn your designs into reusable building blocks, place them anywhere you need, and manage their different states with clarity and control. Let's start with components, which are simply reusable elements. Take any design on your canvas. This could be a frame, a button, or any grouped UI element, then create a component. You can do this by clicking the Create Component button, the little diamond icon in the top toolbar, or by using the shortcut Option plus Command plus K. That action turns your selection into a main component. The single source of truth, you'll update over time. To use what you've made, open the Assets tab in the left sidebar. You'll find your component listed there, ready to be dragged onto the canvas, as many times as you need. Each item you place is an instance. Instances are designed to be flexible. You can change text, tweak colors, or swap icons to suit the context. The key is that structural changes, things like layout, spacing, or layer order, should be made on the main component. When you update the main component, every instance automatically inherits those structural updates, keeping your design consistent and easy to maintain. Now let's bring in variants, which handle states and variations, like default and hover, or small and large. Start by selecting your component on the canvas. You'll see a small plus icon at the top right of the component's boundary. Click that, or choose Variants in the right panel. To add a variant, this creates a component set that contains multiple configurations of the same element, all grouped together and easy to swap between. If you've already made separate components for related elements, you can combine them into a single set. Select the distinct components, right-click, and choose Combine as Variants. This groups them so you can manage their differences in one place. To keep your variants clear and usable, name your properties and values in the right pane. Use descriptive, consistent labels, things like state with values such as default, hover, and pressed, or size with values like small and large. Clear labeling makes it faster to select the right option and helps teammates understand your system at a glance. That's it. Thanks for watching.